I am Sushil Dubey from Bethel Mission School, Godda. Today I am going to teach you synthetic fiber and plastic. Yesterday I teach you synthetic fiber. Now I am going to teach you plastic. You know, it is also a synthetic, but it is made by it is also a polymer. But it is made of the linear polymer and cross polymer. Linear polymer means if all the carbon atoms join in a linear state, then it is known as the monomer. And polymers, when they are joined with the many of the carbon atoms by cross chain also. A monomer and this is a polymer. It is also same of the carbonic, but now question is that plastic. Now you know that this is the age of plastic. Why before 1960 there was the age of Iron Age. Then all the material it is made of the iron. That's why it demand is the more in our country. Due to this what happened, all the iron factory when working there, maybe still found in Durgapur, you can take it there, Raurkela, or maybe SL, Steel Authority of India Limited. It is running in the full base, but now you know all these factories demand become the workers become the 20%. Why? Because it demand going to decrease there. Why plastic is the more demand, but this is not the plastic? Because one thing remember, the plastic material of choice. All the men choose more plastic, but question that why we are choosing more to the plastic even than the iron. Why we choose the plastic? Because it is the lighter. It is the lighter and attractive in color. All the color we can get it there. And cheap cost, its cost is also cheap. Suppose that I say you are taken one rod of the iron, you are taken one pipe of the for your house. Then what happens? If you are taken the iron rod is there, its cost become the more than the plastic. And after that, when you will carry it there, it requires 10 levels in the plastic, only one level. And if you are deep in the water, it will be iron will be rusted is there, but it will not rusted. And which color you want to take, you can take it there. No need of the maintenance. For this painting is the required iron. No need of the painting. That's why its choice becomes the more, and men like to take the plastic. Now, plastic material of choice is a non-reactive. It is a non-reactive, not react with the water. If iron we are keeping into the water, it will be easily rusted, but plastic will be not rusted. Light, strong, durable. That's why men more choice to the plastic thing. The thing which is made of the plastic. Plastic are the two types. One is the thermoplastic and one is the thermosetting and thermoplastic. One thermosetting plastic is there. What is thermoplastic? Thermoplastic means thermoplastic which we can recycling again, molded, and we can change the shape and make another. Then it is a thermo. And one thermosetting, suppose that example is the polythene bag, you can take the PVC, polyvinyl chloride, you can, but thermosetting is the one time you will material, you cannot recycling it there. That is the thermosetting. Thermosetting, we can say your electric switch made of melanin, made of the thermosetting, because one you will use it there, after that you cannot use again it. That's why it is the more useful is there. But now question arises is there, now, but what is the environment, effect of the environment for the plastic? But one thing remember, the plastic is not biodegradable. So it is not eco-friendly. Why? Because decomposing cannot decompose in the simpler form. And that's why what happens, it may make the water pollution, soil pollution, because decomposer cannot decompose it there. If you burn it there, it produces a lot of carbon dioxide which pollutes the air. That's why what happens, plastic may be choiceful and more usage there, but it is the harmful is there. Decomposer cannot decompose in the simpler form. It takes long time. That's why it is harmful. Now, that's why we say that when you will use the plastic, 4 things should be remembered all the time. But how you will control it there? Because it may make the pollution, air will be polluted there, soil will be also polluted there, and air, soil and water will be polluted there. If you throw into the water, then what happens? Go to the water body, it not decompose it there. That's why it is the more harmful there. That's why I say you will use carefully. How will you use this? This is the one formula 4RS. But now you will ask you that what is the meaning of 4? First, reuse. Reuse. What is the meaning of the reuse? Reuse means if you are taken the plastic, suppose that you are going to the market, you take some of the material in the plastic bag. You bring it and all the vegetable, whatever you bring the plastic, you will keep in your basket, and again this plastic you keep in the pocket, go to the market, again you are taking that. Means this plastic you use more to more time. Reuse. One is there. After that, what happens? Suppose that you are bring some of the plastic bottle is there. Again, this will make the another of the material. Reuse. After the refuse. Refuse means mostly you try there. If you whatever you are taken from the market, from the jute bag, not we take the plastic, because when we bring this plastic, throw into the our house beside of the house, then what happens? It will be come into the field, go to the field, or air body, go to the air, burning is there, then water, air will be polluted. If it is going to the soil, soil will be polluted. If it will come with the water will be polluted. That's why say you try to refuse it. You know, material whatever you are given me in the that paper is the that of the bag made by the cotton, yeah, we can say jute bag. That's why now you know it there. All the government factory now given the worker to the jute bag. Why given is there? You refuse this one. Recycling. If the plastic you will use is there, thermos plastic. Why? Because recycling is there. If you try there, what type of the plastic will you use it? We use it. Recycling can do it there. Generally we see there one polythene bag we found in the market. Generally we are bringing the some of the article, maybe vegetable is there. You know, when you are going the big town, you will see there when we throw this of the bag, some of the poor child collected this one. And what happened? After that, what happened? They will selling in the some of the agent, and this agent given to the factory workers who come to take it there. And again, what they will do there? Again recycling it. Again they are making the another of the bag. That's why we try there. Such a type of the plastic we can recycling as there. Reduce means you try there. How you will reduce? We will avoid to take anything from the plastic bag. How you will reduce it there? We will keep all the time when we are going to the market to take any of the articles. Generally, we take one of the cotton bag, and that bag we are taking. We are not taking anything in the plastic bag. This way we can reduce it. And the things which is made of the plastic, we not cycling it there. We try very less. We will try that we will avoid it, because it will be polluted the water, air, and soil. That's why we try to reduce it there. In this way, we can use to the plastic.